Let's attach the side panels. First, let's determine the size of our spacers. We have a 2-inch face frame with a 3/4 inch thick carcass, which means we have a 1/2 inch void in which we will fill with a spacer. 2-inch face frame, 3/4 carcass, 1/2 inch spacer. 1/2 inch will be a number that will adjust. Remember, plywood is made in millimeter land and we like fractions. We will glue the spacers on, tack them till the glue dries. But remember, in this case, we have raw plywood and raw spacer. If we were using melamine, the glue would not hold, and I would simply use a staple, or a screw would work as well. Let's apply the glue quickly. Brush. Squish it with the panel a little more. And then please pass me my favorite clamp, which is, of course, the blue tape. We will concentrate on getting the miter to fit well. Again, leave the nails at home. Very moderate, careful pressure here. That poor guy's talking to himself, not sure what he's saying. Distribution of pressure. Don't push that miter into a place of malalignment. Now a clamp from the back of the panel, again to the miter, clamping with very minimal pressure. A few more clamps, please. Or a few more 100 clamps, please. Just snug. Over tightening will make that miter snug those clamps in, because now we like the fit of the miter. And I think we have something.